Do me a favor, pick me up, take me out later. Don't worry about no paper, 'cause I got mine stacked up for nights like this.
What's up, breezy people? It's your girl Brittany Lachey coming back to you with another video. In today's video, I'm gonna be gisting. I got this idea from Kayla Nicholson. She's one of my favorite YouTubers, y'all. So make sure y'all give her some love. Go comment and like and subscribe to her because she's awesome. She's a really nice person and down to earth. I've also been watching the Ace Family a lot, so make sure you give them a lot of love. They're really awesome. They're great people, like I said. I think I said that in my last video, but give them some love. But anyway, today's video is going to be me gisting. Pretty much just cleaning around the house and stuff. Like, just getting my stuff together, pretty much. And at the end of the video, y'all can see my house. I'm going to give y'all a tour. So, stay tuned, and I hope y'all like it. Alright, y'all. The house is clean. And I'm ready to show you my home. Are you ready? Are you ready? I don't think you're ready. Alright. Let me stop playing. Alright, when I go outside, I'm about to go outside that door and pretty much just show y'all my home, where I live and all of that. Alright, breezy people, that was the end of this video. I hope y'all liked it. Don't judge me. I don't have much in my house. You know, I told you this is our first apartment. We just moved in and all of that not too long ago. So, I don't have much, like I said. But I hope y'all like this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. You know, if you want to see more videos, don't miss out. Because, you know, I'm about to start doing big things. And you don't want to miss out, do you? And make sure you hit that post notification bell. And all my social media will be down below. So, y'all can stay updated. Duh. All right. All right. With that being said, peace out.